Hey guys, it's like almost 2 years now coming back on YouTube, but I'm back, guys. Today is this is like the new trend now, vegan. So I'm gonna do a makeup look for you guys today with all vegan, 100% vegan makeup, or by a company called Arbonne, which is a vegan wellness company. They do so many different things, and their makeup is awesome. And I run my own business with Arbonne as a consultant. So I'm gonna do a full face of Arbonne makeup. Now, some parts I will be talking and I'll be silent just to speed it up because I don't want to be on here too long. So I'm gonna jump right on in. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to prime with I'm going to do the makeup primer, as you can see here. It is amazing. I'm just going to use not too much. You don't need a lot. And if you see me looking that way, I have a mirror, so I'm just going to go in really quick. And really quick, huh? You don't need a lot, but I like to go over my nose and use the Perfecting Liquid Foundation. It has sunscreen in it. This is a vegan liquid foundation. It's kind of dewy, but not like liquidy or too much. It's like perfect. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on this one pump. And that's in the color Deep Bronze. Sorry, I'm like, I don't know if you can, it'll focus on it. Sorry guys. But I wanna get through this. And I don't have to wet this sponge that I'm gonna use because it is kind of dewy. So I'm just gonna go in. So that's in. I'm gonna let that set in. I'm gonna go in with the concealer for Arbonne. It's called the Dark. It's in dark. There it is. Okay. And I'm just gonna go right here. Here.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. Gonna take back everything and lose it all.
All right. Okay. So now I like to use the Setting Pretty Translucent Loose Powder. It is Brown Girl Sunny. There it is. I gotta be careful. I just put a little bit in here, and I press it in. Be sure it'll dry. And don't worry about it being a little white up there. And don't worry about me looking crazy because I'm gonna blend everything in. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Here we go. And then with this color called Canyon.
Go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So Arbonne has a glow stick. It's sheer glow highlight stick. So it comes on two different ends. It has this color, this golden color, and then this beautiful color on the other side too. So this is good to you're gonna put is the I'll input the name of the eyeliner somewhere. So we're just gonna go in with eyeliner, and this is in Eclipse. This is the dark one. So. This is the It's a Long Story mascara, and this is in the color black. So. Dusty Rose, vegan blush, so adorable.
I wonder what went wrong today, why do I feel like I linger?
Color, this is a very cute color, it's so fun.
Say the words to remember. Now we're here
So
to take
adorable.
control